Hey guys, what's up? It's Ben here, and first of all, I wanted to say, go check out General Logic's video, because he's a really cool guy. We actually know each other in real life, so yeah, we're actually friends in real life. Plus, we're thinking about doing stuff. We haven't been in contact in a little bit, so yeah, I'm just giving him a shout out on my video. Also celebrating our 5th subscriber. And there's this comment that I read that I just want to give a shout out to Ohos. I hope I'm saying that right. Comment down below if I did. So yeah, Ohos, he commented, I want to be like you when I grew up. But the thing is, I'm not that young, I'm not that old. And when I commented on his comment, I commented, I'm not that young. But yeah, I'm not that young. Old. Okay, this is why I don't do editing, because it's quirky and it's funny. So yeah, also today I'm going to be debunking that you need to use cannibalism to create a horcrux. If I had a intro, there would be an intro rolling. It's probably gonna be like a Slytherin going like boom, you know? Yeah, we're gonna see how to do that very soon. So yeah, my main piece of evidence is Voldemort turned Harry into a horcrux by accident. He was going to turn the sword to Gryffindor, but he accidentally turned Harry. Sorry, I'm filming very early, like 7, because I read all your comments and I just need to get this done. Where I live, I can't upload more than multiple videos a day. My dad won't let me because I'm young. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get one out tonight. If not, you'll know why. He's saying it takes too much data. But so does releasing a whole bunch of videos on the same day. But yeah, I'm gonna be releasing one video every day, 7 days a week. And every weekend, I'm just gonna make them, you know. So yeah, I totally got off track. But yeah, so basically, he turned Harry into a horcrux by accident. So does he eat people for dinner? Yeah. Does he eat failed Death Eaters like Greybag? Oh, that would be. But I'm a Slytherin, but I don't like that nasty stuff. It's weird. So yeah. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Apparently, I'm still not getting that feature. I'm trying to find out it. Okay? So yeah, if all of y'all continue giving your support. That's terrible. Let's not read in the 4th Harry Potter book. But yeah, if you just give your support to me, General Logic's, and he didn't ask for a shout out, neither did General Logic's, but it's unstoppable. We're all friends in real life. It's unstoppable. Go check out his channel. I'm pretty sure he's nearing his 250th sub. If not, but yeah. So go check out his channel. He does a lot of good Fortnite stuff. So if you're a big fan of that, he does some live streams with General Logics, I think. So yeah. But I actually had this theory, but I debunked it myself, that you have to burn them, because when Snape came in there, he went, I'm copying that off of a song. But yeah, he was just, doing all that, touching them, even though they weren't burned. So yeah, how do you make a horcrux? This video's getting a little long. But yeah, go check out General Logic's channel. And Ohos, thank you. I'm pretty sure you're 5th subscriber, and I'm glad you want to be like me, because I'm just a kid who's a nerd and can put stuff on the internet, but that doesn't make me special. There are plenty of other people, but they sometimes aren't the best actors. I'm serious. YouTube's trying to eliminate bad actors by you not getting paid before you get 10,000 views. So yeah, comment down below if you think I'm a good actor or bad actor. Also comment what you think it takes to make a horcrux.